I am on my mission,
I ask myself this question.
and I can tell you nothing about the present.
And my belief is,
That's all I can say.
La ilaha illallah, there is no God but one. And we will fight.
മുത്തമ്മ